Hey all, here's a video to show you where we are currently with the msJobs scheduler integration. So this is the first build, first version, if you will, with the scheduler integration. So as you can see right here on the home screen, we have the badge up there showing that there's um, five pending appointment requests. So user will see that, and when you go into the appointments screen, then you're also going to see the calendar along the lower left there with uh, the number of pending appointment requests. And let's see here. So if we go into a customer, we don't see it there. I'm also going to ask Bon to put that notification on that little calendar on the jobs screen as well, and possibly even on the invoices screen if there's room, so that the users can see the appointment requests there as well. But right now, the appointment requests, like I said, are there on the home screen and then here on the appointment screen. So if we tap on that, we'll get this little menu here, and we can see the pending schedule. If we tap on that, so I'll go ahead and tap on that. We can change the words in there, but basically it's any pending um, appointment requests. I'll just move that. We need to change, this is a Bon thing, but I need to have Bon, actually Bon and Zahir, but I'm sorry, not Bon, Joe and Zahir, change some of these search options, and I'll explain in a minute. So here you can see I see any pending requests here, but I'm also seeing here's a canceled one, and then I'm sorry, that one's a closed one. This is a canceled one, and these other two at the bottom are in progress. So one thing we need to do is add a search option here to only show certain statuses, so pending only, schedule only, so forth, so the user can see when they come here, only see pending if that's what they want. And also need to add a date range here as well. I think that's minor. But here we can see the pending requests. There's Steven Seagal, or Seagal, Billy D. Williams, there you go, Mars, very creative Mars, Mark Zuckerberg, Gary the Great, wonder who that is. But we can go ahead and tap on any one of those, and that's going to take me into this. Now this is a little difficult to read, so I think we need to adjust these the text here, make it a little darker in these inactive fields. So here we can change the status if we want to. I'm not going to do that right now. And okay, and then these would be any notes from the customer. I don't like that the only save button is down here at the bottom. I think we need to put another save button at the top, and do something to prompt the user if they make a change. Let's say we go ahead and schedule this. If we make a change and don't save it, the user needs to be prompted. It's like in that case, our change was lost. So let me go back into that. I do like how it opens Scheduler so quickly there in WebView. But let's go back to let's go to Billy D. Williams, and we see, okay, whatever day that says here. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, the 30th, 8 to 12 p.m. Great, I can do that. So I'll say that's scheduled. Scroll down. And that's funny. I didn't notice that quote before. Anyway, so I'll save that. Great, that's saved. I'm done. And now you'll see my count in the lower left there is reduced by 1. So I now only have 4 waiting to be scheduled. And there was Billy D. Williams inserted. And he was inserted right in there, by time. And there it is. That's all in there. So that's looking. I think that's looking pretty good. And there you can see the count is adjusted on the home screen as well. If a new appointment comes in, that icon will update, or that badge on the icon will update automatically, and also the home screen icon will get a badge as well, just like in most programs, most apps do. If there's no email, for instance, on your Outlook, you'll get an update on the badge there on your home screen. So that's where the msJobs scheduler integration stands right now, and look forward to your feedback. Thanks.